Hello and welcome to another short member tutorial. This time I'm going to talk about posting your event to our chamber's calendar. We have a lot of you that ask, how do I post to the calendar? And you also want to know how you can get your event in our Friday e-blast. Well, much of our content on our Friday e-blast is taken from our calendar. So if you want your event to be seen by both members and by people visiting the area, your first stop is our calendar on our website. So stop on our website, swvtchamber.com, but also if you type in bennington.com, you will come here. This is the home page. You would simply click calendar. And when you do, voila, here is our calendar of events. What you want to do is to come down here and choose submit event. This is a very straight up form, simply asking your name, your contact information, any notes that you want to send to us privately, but not be part of your event, event title, links to your website, etc. Also, the event image, which I highly encourage you to use this and post an image. We are becoming very visual creatures, and images always stand out. So if you have an image, please use it. If you don't, please consider putting something in there. You will further down the page see that you will enter the dates that your event is happening and a description, location, and so on. Once you have filled in all this information, simply click check and submit. This will then come to us in the back office. We will take a look to make sure that your event has the pertinent information such as day, time, location. And then we will put it live. And then it is on our calendar for all visitors to the area. And also, again, this is where we pick up content for our Friday e-blast. So I encourage you to use this often. And that is it. If you have any questions, you can always email me, Erica, ERIKA, at swvtchamber.com. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful.